Now, the National Infrastructure Fund has received the first seed money of 103 billion the National Treasury has earned from the sale of the 65% stake in the Kenya Pipeline Company. The government offloaded its stake through the initial public offering, that's the IPO that was out in March, which opened in January 19th and closed in February 24th, following a 3-day extension, while the shares commenced trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange on March 9th.
I am indeed very delighted to have the great honor to receive the dummy check representing the total proceeds of the Kenya Pipeline Company Limited initial public offer deposited in the National Infrastructure Fund account. Today's ceremonial exercise marks the official close of the KPC IPO and marks a significant milestone in operationalization of the National Infrastructure Fund. At its core, it speaks to how the government prudently manages public assets, how it finances development in an era of constrained fiscal space, and how constitutional oversight is exercised in practice. The National Infrastructure Fund shall be our key vehicle of innovatively financing commercially viable infrastructure investment by unlocking large-scale private sector capital to fund national priorities while reducing borrowing and taxation. So through National Infrastructure Fund, we shall seek to deliver infrastructure investment of up to 5 trillion Kenya shillings through mobilization of domestic resources, strategic monetization of mature national assets, democratization of ownership through capital markets, and deployment of national savings. Privatization proceeds will be ring-fenced and invested into the National Infrastructure Fund to generate and preserve value.
Interesting story here. The African Coffee Trade Fair recorded its